Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's Baking 101, we will make Malunggay Pandesal. Malunggay Pandesal is a soft Filipino bread roast with malunggay or moringa leaves. Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 3 cups of bread flour plus more for dusting, 1 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of malunggay leaves or moringa leaves. I'm using here frozen malunggay leaves, so I have defrosted it first and drained, and breadcrumbs for coating, 1 egg, 1 packet or 7 grams of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar for activating the yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To begin, we will activate the yeast by combining the milk, sugar, and the yeast. And let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. You will know if the yeast is already activated when it is already bubbly. Next, combine the flour, sugar, and salt. Mix them together. Then create a hole in the middle. Then add the yeast mixture. Egg. And the butter. And mix them together until you form a dough. Then, add the malunggay leaves. And using your clean hands, mix them together. Next, sprinkle some flour onto the work surface and transfer the dough and knead this for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If your dough is too sticky, just sprinkle some flour until it becomes not that sticky. Once the dough is already smooth and elastic, transfer it into a bowl lightly greased with oil. And cover this with tea towel. Let this rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has already doubled in size. After 1 hour, our dough has already doubled in size. Now, transfer it into the work surface. Cut it in half. Set aside the other half. Shape this into a log. And cut it into 8 pieces. Next, shape each slices into a ball. If one of the balls are small, just like this one, just get some from the bigger balls and add it to the other one. Or you can also use the weighing scale and weigh each of them so that you can have similar sizes. And then roll it into the breadcrumbs to coat. And transfer it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After coating them with breadcrumbs, cover them with tea towel and let them rest for about 30 minutes. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here's our finished product! This pandesal is so soft and delicious and is perfect for breakfast paired with coffee or hot chocolate. This is what it looks like inside. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Let me